Welcome back to Control and Create. आज के वीडियो में हम will cover an important feature that is often misunderstood by beginners. That is Revolved Boss Base. Not every part can be created using Extrude. जब geometry axis के around form होती है, Revolved Boss Base becomes the correct choice. चलिए Revolved Base को समझते हैं conceptually. Extrude works in a straight direction. अगर पार्ट का शेप रोटेशन बेस्ड है जैसे शाफ्ट, पुली, नॉब या सिमेट्रिक अराउंड पाथ्स, देन एक्सट्रूड इज नॉट द राइट टूल. यहाँ रिवॉल्व बेस यूज होता है बिकॉज जियोमेट्री एक एक्सिस के अराउंड रोटेट होती है. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड हाउ रिवॉल्व बेस वर्क्स. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद मेकिंग स्केच. Define it properly. Revolve Boss Base works on a very simple principle. You create a 2D profile and then you have to define an axis around which you have to revolve this sketch, this 2D sketch. So let's make that axis also. I am using origin to define my axis. You can use anywhere in your sketch, that's okay. So I've made this axis and I will convert this into construction geometry. So I've created my axis for revolve boss base command and then the sketch, and then you can rotate your sketch around this axis. Let's learn how to do that. First exit from your sketch, go to the feature command, and here you have revolve boss base. So click on revolve boss base, select the sketch, and जैसे आप देख सकते हैं कि इसने ऑटोमेटिकली उस एक्सिस को आइडेंटिफाई किया एज ए सेंट्रल एक्सिस. बट इन सम केसेस इफ वो ना हो, you can select your axis and amount of degree you can define at how much revolve you want. Right now it is 360, that is complete circle, but I want my revolve till only 180 degree. So start from 0 till 180 and select OK. And as you can see, you have created your first revolve boss base part. So you can use revolve boss base where you have an geometry that is rotated around a particular axis, for example like knob, shaft, etc. And always remember, while using revolve boss base command, keep sketches simple, always define the axis clearly, and think about the symmetry early. इस अप्रोच से आपके मॉडल्स क्लीन एंड प्रोफेशनल रहेंगे. If you found the video helpful, a like or subscription would really support Control and Create.